Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video we're going to continue our project. In this video we're going to create a project called highest score. Like for example we add some scores and which one is the highest. So first of all let's create a list. Student scores and we write equal and open up list bracket and write for example 80, 92, 94, 65. Close up the list. Come here, right? Highest score equals 0. And now we write for function, for loop, for score in student scores colon and write if statement. If score is higher than highest score colon and write highest score equals score. Now we have to print it. So write print highest score. Okay, so now let's run it. So you see it's 94. So okay guys, this was all for highest scores. See you in the next video. Bye bye.